Hello everyone. Ngayon naman, let's create a different version on showing the videos using Carousel. You can also do this with the use of images, but we'll use videos for this one. So, i-comment out ko muna tong table na code natin. I'll select it. And press Control, Shift, and then slash on your keyboard. You can create a comment on the selected code. Ngayon, on the documentation of Bootstrap, let's search for Carousel. And then let's scroll down and look for design that we like. I think we'll use this one. So again, instead of images, we'll use videos for this one. So let's click on this button here and then paste it in here. Again, same, let's add proper indentation for the codes. Dito sa image na code, we'll change this into the embed video. So let's search for embed dito sa Bootstrap, and then I'll click on this copy button here. And then paste it here instead of this image tag. Let's paste the code for embedding a video. Again, make sure tama yung indentation niya. For the source, we'll change this into let's save and then preview. So now we have a carousel of video tutorials. Pwede niyong dagdagan ng videos to embed. But for this example, tatlo lang muna ang ilalagay natin. I wanted to make this video smaller. Let's just add another div here with the class of container. Container, make sure your spelling is correct. And then let's remove the div closing tag and paste it here. Let's see. Then we'll add a padding top and bottom of 5. Let's save and preview. So now our video is much smaller. Again, for the carousel, you can add images. But for this one, instead we use YouTube videos. So that's it. That's how you add carousel into your site. Simply copy the code from the documentation of Bootstrap and just update it based on what you want. And then just replace the value for the src. So for this page, instead of using a table, gumamit tayo ng carousel. So I think that's it. If you have questions and clarifications, please comment it down below. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day.